Hey, what's up guys? This is Armin again here, and today is 26th of September 2023. Let's go with one example of practice with Solidity contract. First of all, let me say what's with tokenization in a hotel industry? What is a tokenized? What's the meaning of that? Tokenize. How you when they say that we want to tokenize a hotel or we want to tokenize something to validate, what mean by that? You see, tokenization in hotel industry, tokenization would be a hotel owner to sell the part of hotel. Okay, but now I want to make an example here which you are be able to book your hotel or something to validate. You want to pay. If that is okay, something will happen. And in this case, I'm going for hotel because the point is this: if you want to book a hotel, you are be able to do it from blockchain. If it's that validated, you are in. There is no any stuff needed, just for cleaning. Okay. And that's why let's go further. I'm going just, this is just very simple example that how things works. Okay, I want just you to understand. We had here something about 16 or 70 part of Solidity, and with that 70 parts we want to make now this basic and simple contract. Okay, we have here a contract hotel something to validate, the name of that. And here I want to say we have here a hotel room is empty or occupy. Okay, here we learn about if we have some, for example, two case which is fixed. Okay, we are going for enum. Okay, enumeration. And here I say a status, for example. Okay, if I say here, for example, status, here I say okay, free, for example, busy, to keep track, for example, if that is busy or free. Okay, this is enum. And now let's go here. When I have enum here and I have here status, I say here we learn. We are going to initialize. Just make here. I say here current one. For example, current status. Just make an object of that, and now we have access to this enum here. Okay. Here we have also. I want to say okay. If someone, let's imagine this is just English text. If someone booked a room, just show a pop-up or show notification, just show pop-up or notification. Okay, for that we learned that that's just event. If something happened, if a hotel room booked, just say hey, something happened, or I don't know, something. We have here event. Okay, and now let me say here, first of all I want here make address variable, address. This address is a wallet address, as you know. Okay, but I want to say here payable because we about payable I'm talking about it later, but this is payable, actually something you want to pay. This is fee or something more than fee. Okay, and here I say here equal public owner. Okay, we have here this is state variable, payable state variable, because this is just business. Okay, and I say here if someone booked a room, it means that room is occupy, or I wrote it. Okay, occupy. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, and now here I say okay, event. Let me say it's busy, for example. This is just event. This is just a method without implementation. And here when you say the room is busy, I want you to show me what I want to show me the address of that contract and value, just that here address. When you say is occupy, show me the address of that one, and just value, for example. Okay, value. This is just event. It say it's just like an interface. I declare it here. I'm use it further, and we learn about it in last one. Okay, and here we need to initialize those things for first time. What we have two things: setter or constructor. I'm going just for constructor because Allah constructor. Constructor pink. Oh, big daddy, pink. Pink, big daddy. Okay, this is constructor. Look at Gus. Look at Gus. Okay, constructor wants to initialize what? Constructor wants to initialize owner. Owner. Okay, I say here first of all owner, which is here. I say copy this, put it here, owner is equal to message sender, but we have something payable message sender because that is payable, big daddy. And I say here, for example, msg.sender, we learn about it also. A message sender is a wallet which is get connected to this. Okay, and current status, which is this one. This is also a state, like something like a state variable. Okay, and current status is equal to my status of my enum, which is now here status dot, for example, is busy. Let's say status is busy, and I am be able, I think, let me say here, no, that's okay, like this. Okay, constructor says free, that free. Let me say here. Okay, let me go further. If you see some bugs, you are be able to just okay. Now guys, this let me make a other function here, for example receive, which we learn also about it, because these are things when I make an example here, it's according to our last chapters. Okay, I say here receive, which you know what's that, and that is external. Why that is external? Because everyone should be able to make transaction to this contract, and that is also payable. This is business. Okay, this is business, and here receive. We learn about that if a receive method is just like this. Okay, not just like this, it's going to act just as default, and you receive that one. But here, let me say here external payable, and let's say let me say here let me back here, here that is free, and I want to say here now if what, let me say here, for example, how I'm making it as best. If it's free, for example, if it's free, do sum here, and here, because this is payable, and we have here something. This is things you don't need to now, because I'm going to talk about it later. I don't know, we going to, for example, big daddy, for example, let me say I'm be able to say one ether. Okay, and here I'm talking about this later, because we are in payable mode, and we want to say, what's this? Is say identifier not found or not used. Okay, I make it. Okay, this is a method, and this is a modifier. Okay, And now let me make this method. I say here current status is status dot busy, and here owner dot transfer. You know what's transfer? Transfer is just transfer method, because this is already implemented in Ethereum virtual machine, and that is transfer msg dot value. Which value? msg dot value. Okay, dot value, and let me come here, and now after that call my function or call my event. Which event is here? Is busy. How? Emit, or am I ready? Okay, which was it's busy. I say call that it's busy. It needs two parameter: address, message sender, address message sender, address message sender, and value is message dot value. Very clear, very good. And now this is modifier which we want to control. This we want to say, okay, we have a modifier. You when we want to receive something, you wanna control behavior there. And now modifier, and I say here I'm going to copy this. Okay, I put it here. I say like this, and then here open this one, and then here I say here we require something here. What we require here, I mean msg dictati dot, I mean dot let me see. We need here to get current status is equal to status dot free, and then I think here am I right here if I say for example it's not free, is it okay? Something like this. What's the problem here? And then here after this I put this. What's the problem here now? And then here I close it. This underscore is very important. Okay, this. Now we have a modifier which called here, but I'm asking myself, I have really no idea what. Let me see. Let me remove this. Okay, now undefined gas. Okay, wait a moment here. Now I mean, look, I'm doing something. I say I'm going to make other modifier for this. Is this as we learn, we are be able to make 2-3 modifier after each one. I'm saying here, okay, I copy that modifier which I made. What the fuss, bro? Here I say here tap, and I say here I have other modifier here, and here we wanna say if someone wants book a room, the cost is 1 Ethereum, for example. Okay, whatever you want. This is just an example. Here cost says here in modifier I need unsigned integer. I mean unsigned integer 256 as, for example, amount, and then here I say I remove this MSG dot value should be greater or should be greater or I mean should be greater or equal to, for example, under run amount, which is now you know amount greater or equal to here, and this should be like 1 Ethereum. If you, because I say here if I say here 2 Ethereum, you should make a transaction and your wallet should contain 1 Ethereum. If that condition not met, I say here not enough money. Okay, you like it? This is just easy. We tokenize hotel, there is no reception needed, there is no nothing else needed, and if this is if we need something, we capture also pictures, you know. This is a working hotel room, basic, just basic, huh? On Ethereum virtual machine. And this is just easy. You totally understand if you follow last parts, and this is just easy and amazing. Guys, have a nice day. See you in the next one.